What's up, guys, and welcome one more time to BitBrothers Crypto, a place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day, still even on extreme fear and bear markets. I know we are in an extremely fear and bear market. Let me just add here. Where is it? Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? I'm putting here. I'm Casquinha Crypto, and today we have a nice show, guys. We have a nice show for you. There's a lot of things happening in the market now. Papa might be a little bit late today. He might be busy there with the work, but I will start with the show. So as you can see here today, we're going to talk a little bit about extreme fear and why there is so much fear at the moment in the market. Well, we are in a bear market. Everything is going down. Let's check the market today just for us to have a look what's going on. And this is why I have put the title today. Let me just put this up so you guys can see it. Look, 11 today, guys. 11 today. Fear and greed is extreme. And we've been this for a while. Look, from last month's 9. So let me just open here the market. Let's put it back here. So how are we today? Here, guys, literally, look what just happened. We are under $1 trillion in the global crypto market. So the global crypto market cap, the global crypto market cap, it's at 968 billion. That's 12.21% decrease over the last day. So, of course, people are in fear, extremely fear. Everybody's running out. That's it. Remember, close to the all-time high, we were almost at $3 trillion. Now we are under 1 trillion, 968 billion. It's crazy, absolute crazy. On the last 24 hours, as we can see here, Bitcoin and Ethereum, the top two cryptocurrencies, have dropped below 16%. Ethereum and 13% the Bitcoin. If we go here on the 24 hours, Curve has dropped 26%, Torchain 21%, Steppen 21%, IVE 20%, KuCoin 19%, Polygon 19%, Stack 19%. Most of the tokens, ApeCoins, Marker, they all 19%, 18% the Sandbox. Solana 17%, Neo Protocol 18%. Guys, the market, it's bloody. It's bloody. Let's see if there's any gainers here. There isn't much. Nothing is green. Nothing is green. Everything is red. Everything is red. But now, saying this in a more open picture, guys, we need to understand one thing very important. You are in the crypto space for the long term. So if you are here for the long term, you see a lot of those red as opportunities to get in. And I'll even go a little bit further. Maybe, of course, you have to do your own research, and nothing we say here is financial advice, but maybe we still gonna see. This is not yet the bottom. This is not yet the bottom. Bitcoin is at 23K, 23K700. I still believe Bitcoin might go below 20. And if that happens, we will see. Well, Ethereum went below 1,000, was 900 and something on the Uniswap today in the morning, I think. So we will see prices to drop more. So if you're patient for your entrance, and on the meantime, trying to save some liquidity and do your own research on the projects that you believe that will be here on the next bull run. That's the important thing. Anyway, let's go to some news. Here, let me pull it up. USDD stablecoin falls to 0.97. Dow inserts 700 million to defend the peg. Analytics platform Nascent showed that one of the funds that capitalize on the USDD peg has started to transfer large amount of USDD. While the market has not yet fully recovered from the outflow caused by the Terra USD or USDD peg, another stablecoin projects show sign of distress, causing fear and speculation within the community. We don't know if it's gonna drop or it's gonna be depegged completely and will be another Luna. But guys, one thing that we need to understand is that yes, Luna wrecked everybody, but because and brought the whole market down, creates even a worse bear market the way I see. But again, we go back for the long. If you are for the long term, avoid any sort of project that you believe gonna collapse, any stable coins that are depegging, and think instead and wait for the right timing for good project that maybe you believe it will succeed. And that's why it's important to have this time to get into the community, speak among, do your own research and make sure that even if the project seems legit and good, like Luna, we saw what happened. So we need to definitely be careful with that at all. So let's go to another news here. And talking about things going down and crisis now on the bear market and on the crypto space. Celsius crisis has no impact on the USDT reverse. I think this morning or yesterday, everybody got, I think it was Beach Boy Crypto, who shared, where is it? He shared this. A lot of people got this email this morning or yesterday. I got this email as well because I am I have the app and I'm registered on Celsius anyway. Anyway, Celsius wrote an email to the community, okay? And we said, we are writing a very important message for our community. Due to the extreme market condition today, we are announcing that Celsius is pausing all withdrawal, swap, and transfer between accounts. We are taking this action today to put Celsius in a better position to honor over time its withdrawal obligation. Acting in the interest of our community, it's our top priority in service of that commitment and to adhere to our risk management framework. We have activated a clause in our terms of use that will allow for this process to take place. Celsius has a valuable asset and we are working diligently to meet our obligation. This is Celsius sending to all customers. Beach Boy even said here, how many people just got this email? Many of us. Certainly not good in the short term, and many people will be upset, of course. But long term, it's probably the only move they had. Could trigger another leg down to BTC, and if though, as we can see, so maybe this is what caused a lot of drop on the BTC price, and even more funds into the crypto space. So we had here the USDT stablecoins issued Tether denies any correlation between its investments in Celsius and its reverse stability. If we look at Celsius price now, Celsius price here. If we look at Celsius price now, it's at 20 cents. Went up a little bit from the morning, was 18 cents in the morning. But as you can see here, it has dropped. Look all the way down here, guys. All the way down here. all the way down. So it dropped to 15 cents from all-time high of $8. But you have, again, we have to bear in mind that we are in a bear market. But of course, this will cause a lot of FUDs. But despite if we like, we don't like, if it's not your keys, it's not your coins, guys. Because if a centralized wallet, a centralized staking protocol, it's a centralized whatever, where you have your tokens there, and they decide to shut down, that's it, you're screwed, basically. So that's the importance, for me at least, of DeFi. And that's the main reason why Bitcoin was created, right? For decentralized, for you not to be attached to any centralized exchange or so on and so on. But still, I have tokens in centralized exchange. I have Celsius app on my phone. I was planning to use as well. Of course, I might even use in the future. I don't know. Let's see how they're gonna be. I believe they should be an honest company. I don't, but we never know, and that's the importance of you wait. Don't go crazy in now because it's so cheap. Be careful. Okay, so there is a news here on the ongoing crisis of Celsius. Native token has nothing to do with the stablecoin provides, that it will not impact its USDT reserves, according to the company. Tether issued a statement on Monday regarding the major cryptocurrency lending platform Celsius halting withdrawal due to the rumors liquidity crisis. According to the statement, Tether lending activities with Celsius has always been over-collateralized as with any other borrowers and has no impact on the company's reserve. So this is, of course, is USDT trying to make clear to the community that this, whatever is happening to Celsius, will not affect. But of course, again, it's something that we always should be keeping our eyes open for whatever happens in the crypto space. This is very, very, very important. Okay. And as you can see here, the DeFi platforms and smart contracts tokens suffering the most during the crypto market rout. So while the crypto economy has dropped lower in value against the US dollar, sliding to just under 1.2 trillion, we just saw now that it's under a trillion already, it's 900 billion, okay? The value of the decentralized finance protocols and smart contract token has suffered a great deal. Statistics show that the total value locked in DeFi has dropped 7.96% since May 18 to roughly 104 billion, and the combined value of the smart contract tokens lost 8.2% during the last 24 hours alone. So guys, there's a lot of heat on the markets. Everybody's it's a lot of fears, is extremely fear. People are so scared of investing, so scared of putting their money there. And that's the importance of you do your research to make sure that I cannot tell you what you have to do, but I can tell you what I am doing. So for example, I will go to do my research, okay? So normally during the days I go and I do my research and I go here, and I know that Bitcoin will be here within the next 5 years. Ethereum gonna be here in the next 5 years. BNB will be here in the next 5 years. ADA probably will be here in the next 5 years. XRP probably will be here in the next 5 years. Solana also gonna be here in the next 5 years. Is Dogecoin going to be here next 5 years? Polkadot's going to be here next 5 years? And then you start to go through the tokens that you believe, that you like. So for example, Matic, you go, is it Chronos going to be here the next 5 years? You go Chainlink, you go Monero, and any sort of token that you look this time and you think, I would like to invest in that. And maybe it was a very high Decentraland. You can go to Theta Network, what else? Let's see what else we can check here. IEVE, you can check Axe Infinity, Claythy, many. And then what I do, guys, it's a very tip, a good tip. You go here, I go to Polygon, and I check the chart, and I see a good, of course, a good entry point. If I'm thinking on the long term, I will always go to the website. I'm gonna go and look at the website, bring the word to Ethereum. I'm gonna read everything here. I'm gonna really check the website and see how it goes. And then I'm gonna go in the community. I'm gonna go to the Telegram in the communities, and I'm gonna speak on the community. I mean, this is with Polygon, for example, right? Which it's a layer one token, and I'm 100% will be here on the next 5 years, or at least on the next bull run. And then Kronos, I'll do the same thing again. Chainlink, the same thing again. And look, and the reason why I'll do all of this is because of this. It's 60% down. It's 80% down. And guys, the opportunity I see is big with the tokens that I believe that will be here on the next bull run. And then Decentraland, 76 cents, 77 cents. Is Decentraland going to be here on the next bull run? So let's check. Look, Decentraland, they have a marketplace. They're very into the NFTs. Guys, maybe there's an opportunity here, 70 cents. Remember the all-time high was three something, correct? Let's go here to check. All-time high, $5, $5.90. Imagine, guys, $5.90. Then you go here, you check, you go in, again, the same thing again. Go here, go to the Twitter, go to the community, go to the Telegram, go to the Discord. Welcome to the center, and look and see if there is an opportunity that the project it's gonna be here on the next 5, I say 5 years, but it's on the next bull run. It might be in 2 years. It might be in the next 13 months. It might be in 6 months. On the next bull run, I mean, that you have an opportunity to go now. So 5.9, let's go here just to check something. So if we go here, let's put Decentraland. Decentraland 5.90. With 5.90 now, I could get 7 tokens. If the all-time high, with the all-time high of Decentraland, now you can get 7 times. So if you go here and you get 7 times 5.90, $41. Not bad, not bad at all, not bad. If you buy one, you put 5 and you get 41. So there is a crazy opportunity out there. I know it's the fear is extreme, but you have to see where can you be benefit out of what's happening now. So for example, Theta Network. See the all-time high here, guys. It's $14 more or less. It's the same thing again. This same thing again. Go to the site, have a look, read everything. Go to the Telegram here, everything here on the top. Go to the Twitter, speak on the community, see what the project is about. See, look, they have see if there is an opportunity on this project that will be here. Go in the roadmap. Check the roadmap. Check the roadmap. See if it's a project that you believe that's going to be here on the next bull run. Because if you believe that, and then you will see an opportunity here. You understand what I'm saying? So, and the same thing, this was crazy, man. This was like the all-time high here was $632. 57 now. So for example, a token like this, 657 now. So if you believe that this will stay here on the next bull run and it will go back or would outperform the last all-time high, can you imagine the opportunity you have here? If you take the, like I said before, if we go here and we take the all-time high with 630, with 630 today, if we go to AIV here, let's put it here. How do you spell it? If you go here, so if you go here and we put 609, I think was the all-time high, you can buy 11 tokens. And if those 11 tokens go back to the all-time high, you make 7,500. So it's those type of opportunities. But I don't know if I will be here in the next bull run. Well, so then you should not invest in, you should not buy AIV or invest in AIV. That's what I'm saying to you. You need to look for opportunities that will be here on the next bull run. That's the important thing. And new things that was not even here, showing now on this last bull run, but maybe will be here on the next bull run. For example, here, I don't know if Clayton will be here for the next bull run, but I know they're very into with NFTs. They're look, the metaverse blockchain for all. So you need to come and check if maybe there is an opportunity here, because the all-time high, if we go here, and it's the same idea, guys, again, was $4, and now it's at 25 cents. So it's, and this is with everything that you believe it might be here. Now, let me open here again. Let me open here. Now, yes, it's extremely fear. It is bear market. And I don't believe it's time for you to go out and be buying things. And now I think it's DCA. One thing that we have to accept is bear market. Accept it. Fact. Everything might drop even more harder. Fact. It might. Bitcoins might go below 20K. We might see Bitcoin even at 15. This is something that is you have to expect by now at this time. You should not be getting in any token right now until you feel that maybe is the bottom, unless you are for the long term. So if you get now in Bitcoins at 23, but you're not gonna sell until the next bull run, that's okay, no problem. Maybe you could wait a little bit longer to buy more Bitcoin for the same amount of money. So when the bull run comes, you make more money. But if you get it now and you're gonna wait for the next bull run, you will probably get some excess on top of what you invest in now, right? So you need to accept that what's happening now. What we see in the crypto space now is you don't see much more people on the crypto on our even our analytics on the YouTube videos is dropped completely, because there's so much fear and people are out. A lot of people, paper hands, people who don't believe in the crypto for the future, they're out of the market. And so many people will come back when the bull run again to buy everything on the top, again, and say that everything in crypto is a scam, because they buy the top, it doesn't go anywhere, it starts to go down, they sell down, and of course they don't earn, they just get in the space to lose money. So if you're that's the importance of the place you are, especially in this time. Now would be a great moment to have and start saving in the side some liquidity in order for you to start to get the amazing discounts in projects that you believe that are good, that's gonna be here on the next bull run. Even then, that maybe some projects that you believe, maybe it's not gonna be here, and you're gonna put some money there and you might gonna lose, because everything in the space is speculation. Not everything is 100%. But that's the question again, is that a risk that you are willing to take? And you need to know these things before you start to panic selling, because a lot of people are panic selling now, selling. I mean, you see, there is no money in the compared to the all-time high. We are under $1 trillion in the global market cap in the crypto. It's bonkers, it's crazy. So no panic, understand the position that you are in, the way the market is going at the moment. So many people, oh my God, it's gonna fall. Let it fall. Let it bleed as much as you can, and let all the paper hands to get out of the market. And then you start to deploy your liquidity or your dollars into projects that you believe that you will be able to make some good access when the bull run come back again. That's it, guys. So there is no fear within your understanding. There is fears in the market. There is a bear market. You have to accept all of this, but you are relaxed. Yeah, go enjoy yourself with the family. Get away from the chart, because things still gonna be ugly before it get bright, before it get beautiful. So yeah, enjoy the journey. Remember, now is the time that you actually will be able to make money, if you know exactly where to deploy your liquidity in order to make access when it comes. But you will need to have patience. And again, you must do your research homework. You need to sit down and study the project. You cannot just jump in, or you will lose. And the worst thing you might do now, if you start trading now, be careful with trading, especially now in the bear market, guys. You will just lose money. So the best thing to do is just keep liquidity on the side and wait for the right moment to jump in. On the meantime, you are studying the best projects to jump in. That's how I see it. That's what I do. And yeah, nothing as here is to be taken as financial advice. But if you're new to the channel, if you're first time here, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part here of the Beach family. Tomorrow, probably Pablo will be with us as well. And we're going to have a lot of fun. All right, guys, so thank you very much. On the way out, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the family. I'll see you guys on the next video or in the next live.